Jeanette Keenes from Jewelry Arts Inc. This is Chasing and Repousse 12. I'm going to show you how to bend the repousse bail that we made without losing any of those beautiful curves or getting any kind of distortion. It's extremely low-tech technique, but it works like a charm. And by the way, here's my lovely bail. I think I'm almost done filing. Maybe I'll tidy up a tiny bit more. And then I'm going to coat it with a fire coat and anneal it and start bending it. So we're ready to curve the little repousse bail, and Alexis was asking me, like, how are we going to do it? This is, I guess, about as low tech as possible, because normally when I have any kind of bail or object that is repoussed, you can bend it. You just need to do it gradually. So in other words, I can't necessarily just take this and like bend the tips together like that. I do it gradually. So I use one of my favorite low-tech but effective tools, which is wood dowels, which I use for everything all the time. And the magic of my two thumbs. Hey, honey. Good, thanks. So I picked in a really nice big dowel. We'll start with this one, two thumbs. Ta-da! I'll go down to a little smaller one, a little smaller one. I can anneal it eventually if I have to. As long as you do it gradually, you'll be surprised. You can really bend things like this and not mess them up. It's when you try to make a sharp bend all at once that things will go like a balloon that gets a hole in it, kind of a thing. Because we make lots of different repousse type bails. So you see what I mean? I don't have like, I just grabbed kind of a handful of different sizes, and I'm just gonna work my way down. Like I said, this is about as low-tech of a technique as you can get, but it works beautifully. You know, like maybe now I'll stop and anneal, or I'll do a little bit more, but basically you just keep going gradually. As long as you go gradually, everything will be fine. If you don't go gradually, well, you will learn why you should do it gradually. You can also always take, like if you have a little edge popping up like right here, I can always take another dowel and lovingly just press the edge a little bit. You see what I'm saying? If something kind of pops up, especially because the way I did this is all sort of irregular curves, so some spots are going to bend easier than others. But that's it. Wood dowels, your two thumbs. Will work wonders.